Welcome to this lesson, and in this tutorial we learn how to insert page numbers, how to renumber them, and we will also insert our name within the header. To insert a page number, let's say this is my report, and within this report I would like to have my page number showing on the header or right on the top of the page. So I'll go to insert. Within insert I have page number, and I would like to have on the top of the page. I'm going to select this option. Okay, you can select any of these. I'm going to select this one, page X, and now I have my page number 1 sitting over here. I'm going to click outside or double click, and this takes me outside. Now what I want to do is I want to renumber this, because since this is my header page, I want to make it page 0, and my second page will be page number 1. To renumber, you go to insert. Within insert you have page number. Within page number you have format page number, and you're going to select start at 0. Okay, click OK, and now when you go to the top you will have this as page 0 and you have this as page number 1. Okay, now we also want to show our name right over here, so I'm just going to say double click. Okay, I can press the tab key or space, and I'm going to type in my name. Okay, and that shows my name. Okay, I'm going to double click outside. That will exit and takes me to the body of the first page. Now I want to get rid of this one and this one. I do not want to see it on the first page. So what I'll do is I'll go to layout. Within layout I have page setup. Click on the page setup and select the third tab, okay, which says layout, and over here you have different first page. Turn this on, click OK, and there you go, that disappears. Okay, and let's go to our second page, which is our page number 1, and there you have it. That's page number 1, and that is your name right over there. Okay, so hope that was a beneficial lecture, and see you in the next video.